Delivering a splash of freshness, Fresh 9 fragrance composition starts off beautifully with the scent of this native orchid. Found on steep mountainsides and near sea levels, this orchid carries along a cooling and minty scent, entrapping those who smell them. An amazingly complex fresh scent that works well in our fragrance composition. The calming and soothing effects from our fragrances promotes a sense of relaxation for our mental health, highlighting the main benefit of our therapeutic orchids. On top of that, these orchids come with an abundance of medicinal values, further enhancing the value of our fragrances. This therapeutic orchid is not just pleasing to look at, it works extremely well in improving health when consumed. Used as a tonic, nutrient, and astringent in India, it is also utilized in the treatment of diabetes, chronic diarrhea, coughs, and malnutrition. As the name of this orchid suggests, fragrance released from this orchid carries strong whiffs of vanilla. Other than being valued for its sweet aroma and perfumery, the roots are considered to have aphrodisiac value and are used as a stimulant in India. A dose of fresh rain and hints of strawberries are also included in this fragrance composition. The sweet, fresh, powerfully evocative smell of fresh rain is simply irresistible. With nuances of muskiness, it adds a cool, watery, yet robust essence to the fragrance. A naturally nostalgic scent, the smell of rain holds a calming effect that helps in relieving any stress and frustrations, and even purifies the surrounding air, leaving a clean smell in the air. Sweet, juicy, mouth-watering, and enchanting, describing the loveliness of the scent of strawberries can go on and on. It captures the senses with its sweet aroma, boasting fruity green and flowery nuances. A perfect scent to brighten your mood. Wafting a sillage of bright and cooling hues, this aquatic fragrance composition hits you with a splash of freshness that makes you feel like you're embarking on an escapade.